Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sales Navigator. Some of you might have used it before. This is very powerful. This works specifically well for leads or niches that are working on computers. So anyone in the insurance, finance industry, anyone that's basically on a computer. Here I'm going to demonstrate leads in the solar niche because that speaks to a lot of you. But the email finding rate will be smaller. Well, in fact, it's related to the size of the company. So if the companies are very large, you're going to find people that are actually working in offices. But if you are going for this type of targeting and you are going for 11 to 50 employees, or even 51 to 200, often you will find that the email finding rate is not great. So it's better to use the previous way I've shown you, using an I10 and scraping from Google Places, Google Businesses, and then looking for the business owner, and then finding the email address using Prospeo API. Also, the Prospeo API works in a different way when you're actually scraping Sales Navigator. The pricing structure is different. So instead of being charged per email found, you are being charged per profile scraped, which does not mean you will find the email address of that given lead. You will, as I've explained it before, you will be in a range of anywhere between 20 to 40% of emails found. So that's the process. I always tend to use the industry, the geography, and also Boolean operators. So Boolean operators works this way. So it's just input the keyword, or and then another keyword or another set of keywords if you want. Wind, for instance, and not consulting. Yeah, and here you can use different Boolean operator, or you can go and consulting if you want consultants. I don't want consultants, but you can do that too. So this is the way it works. Then you only have to click this button, export to Prospeo. You can export up to 2,500 leads per day, which is kind of a lot, but not a lot, because the email finding rate is, as I've said, between 20 to 40%. So that's going to give you a few hundred emails. It's enough to start with, but it's not. You can't really do volume this way, even if you buy a lot of credits. This is a strategy to be combined with the other strategy that I've mentioned previously. So once you have extracted the leads, so let me just show you one that I'm not actually using. You'll see that you get a result like that. As I've mentioned, insurance companies in the UK, you see the email validity rate is 36%. So out of 1,298 leads which were extracted and for which we had the credit uh, deducted, we got 465 emails, which is good to start the campaign, but it's not voluminous. Next, we'll download the result. I only pick valid emails. I could go for risky. Also, if I go for risky, I will split the valid emails and the risky emails, and I will use the email addresses that I'm happy to burn for the risky ones. So I hope that makes sense. As a next step, I will show you how to customize the messages inside Google Sheet using a formula.